Up high on Lookout Mountain, it's like floating in the air. A picture's worth 1,000 words, but it's not being there. So take a tour, look around to see what we love best. We have so many things to see, I'll probably need a list. These are the sights of Sodor, and Sodor looks like this. Let's go!
Pretty flowers and a big lighthouse and a beach you should not miss.
Crystal zones and dinosaur bones and a smile you can't resist.
These are the sights of Sodor, and Sodor looks like this.
We have tiny crabs and a friendly skunk and a chicken who lives with
Mountaintops and waterfalls.
and a bridge with an abyss.
These are the sights of Sodor, and Sodor looks like this.
We have tiny crabs and a friendly skunk and a chicken who lives with mountaintops and waterfalls.
And a bridge with an abyss.
These
Yikes!
are the sights of Sodor, and Sodor looks like this.
Go to the castle, go to the pier, see Heidi Cranky, he's always there. Wanna see it all, wanna see it twice, to see it up close is twice as nice.
These are the sights of Sodor,